I have really enjoyed working with Erica. In fact, I could just listen to her all day. I just love her personality, and she draws me in when she's coaching.
And I'm so glad I did get in contact with her because it has changed my business for the better and my life as well.
She's great. I love the way she simplifies things, and I think that's what has done it for me. I think because the way that she explains things, her suggestions, they're simple and they're easy to apply.
I learned how to pivot my business, but first and most of all is I love the way she teaches you.
Her coaching has changed my mindset, especially when coaching on the Blessing Method.
I am so grateful. So if you are hesitant of it, investing in yourself, go ahead and do it. The school is never out for the pros. Invest in yourself. It will change your life and it will change your business for the better.